2 miles down. Burned about 225 calories, about 19 minutes per mile. 225 calories. You know, in a Snickers bar, it's like 400 plus calories. Even in the mini Snickers, a lot of calories. Keep in mind, it's also 88 degrees out. It's kind of wild when you think about it. Like when you actually show the difference. I did a quick mini series using an elliptical. I could burn 100 calories per 10 minutes when I was really hustling hard. Give me a second here. I hate walking across roads. I often jog or run just because you never know. People are crazy. Anyway, so I could burn 100 calories in 10 minutes. And here I'm pretty much burning 105, 110 calories in 20 minutes by walking. Though when I was using an elliptical or a bike machine outside, I was hustling. Like my heart rate was like, I think maintaining 140 to 165. And when I'm walking here, obviously my pace is slower. I'm gonna get some hate from this, but I don't really believe in running just because of the wear and tear. And if you've ever listened to runners that are now in their upper 60s, 70s, and 80s, most of them have knee and back problems. So I spent a lot of time doing some interesting research about runners, especially people that run daily or people that do different courses and stuff. But anyway, that's besides the point. Put my phone away before it overheats because my phone is so hot.
Total distance 2 miles.
There we go.
Total time 38 minutes and 5 seconds. Split pace 17 minutes 53 seconds per mile.
There we go. So I basically just said what I said. Yeah, so it just makes you think, will that stop me from eating a 490 calorie cheeseburger from McDonald's? No. But that's why I'm out here. You can still enjoy stuff. You just gotta then put in the steps, put in the work. If you want to enjoy your sugary drinks and stuff, well, just put in the work to try and burn it off. I mean, I knew a guy, never drank water really, all just soda, smoked 1 pack a day, sometimes more, for most of his life. It's a guy that we worked with, and I think he lived to be like 79, 80, and that's someone who smoked every day. Now, the difference between him and a lot of people that do that is he was very physical, and he didn't eat a lot of food. So he was relatively fairly thin and did a lot of physical labor work. So that's just interesting. Anyway, facts that who cares, right?